so strong it's going to knock me down. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you're being recorded. I want one.
You want one of everything.
Yes, I do.
Yes, he does.
I want one. Look at that thing. That is a beautiful bird, Gene. Especially the way she's flying. Is that low or high rate?
I got it on high rate. That's all I really ever fly.
Very stable. Looks really nice. So that's a 120, huh?
Trying to get her trimmed up. They got different servos in the front floor, so it's a little different.
Man, that thing is quick. Look at that. Nice, sweet, dude. That's what I like, is when it does those insane tight turns. Very nice. That's looking good, man. Wind's coming towards us. Solid bird. So that's a 120 Sato?
No, this is a 120 YS Supercharge.
120 YS Supercharge. You're right above yourself here.
Yeah.
So be careful. Watch the sun. Look at that loop, man. Oh my gosh, look at that. Sweet. I want one. Wow. You're making me jealous, Eugene.
Oh, come on now.
No, it's the biplay. I gotta have one now. How about the pits? You got a pits too. This is much better for aerobatic than the pits.
Oh, my muffler. Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah.
Lander. I didn't. Yeah, bring it down.
I think it might be this side of the bushes. You might luck out.
Careful. More speed. Nice flight, man. That was off the hook.